Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we will talk about finance trading bot. How does it work? In what way will it be useful for us? And the meaning behind this is one that you set all the values up front and get your work done. And the other is that you understand how it will work. And in that case, you can use it well. So we will talk about all these information. We will talk about all its users. So let's start first. For this, I hope all of you will have a finance account. And if not, then you can sign up for free, do KYC. Okay? So once you log in, after that, you have to come to trade. Okay? Trade will be given at the top. And when you click on the trading board here, then you will come to this page. Now, if you look at this page, here you are being given many options. Okay? For example, there is spot trading, future trading, RP trade, rebalancing, algo, okay? And there are many more bots. So for now, we will go to the most basic bot and we will talk about spot grid. That is spot grid or spot trading. Okay, now as soon as we come to this page, we will click on spot grid. And after clicking, we will come to a page where as a beginner, we have to pay more attention to the right-hand side. That is, we have to pay more attention to this portion. Okay. Now here you will observe that there are three sections. Okay. There are three sections in which this is AI, popular and manual. Why could it not be done by refreshing it? Okay. So AI is popular and there is manual. Okay, now we will talk about its complete section, how it will work. We will talk about all this and why it is useful. So first of all, we come to AI. Okay, now see in AI, at one place you have been given the time period of 3 days, 7 days, 30 days, 180 days. Now, if you are staying for 3 days, then it is telling the price range. Okay, from here to here, if you are saying 7 days, then the price range. What is the price for 3 days now? 56,996.65. 56,865, 54 to 68 on 7 days, 50 to 71 on 30 days, okay, and 49 to 73 on 80 days. So as you increase the number of days, the price range increases accordingly and the number of grids increases accordingly. Okay, so if we want to understand how this trading board works, then first of all, we have to understand the importance of price range and number of grids. Okay, so for that, we come to the chart. Now I say that suppose this is our price range, which is 110 and 60. Okay, and this is our grid. Now I have created only one grade here. Now if you look here, you can see the 66 grade here. Here we see 47 grade. Here we see 34 grade, okay? Now I have made only one grade here so that it is easy to understand. Now we are talking only about spot, not about future. You must remember that in spot, the work is that you have to buy at a lower price, and when you make a profit and it goes up, you have to sell it and take the profit, okay? We are only talking about spot. We will make a new video for futures, okay? Now look here. This is the price range. Meaning if I talk about this chart, the price range here is from 60 to 110. Like here it is from 56 to 65. Similarly, here it is from 7 to 110. And the number of grades is 1. Okay. The number of grades is 1. Now here you see what does number of grades do. For example, suppose we have drawn a grid in the middle of this range. Then the price is here, here, here. As it reaches here, it will do PI. Okay. And after that, the price keeps moving here like this. It does not matter whatever it is doing. When it reaches this or that, then it will sell here. Okay. Now the price again went up. Again, while going up, it came down as it reached here. As it reached here, it will again do buy. I am talking about only one grade. Now look here, we have grades. So according to that, on grades, there will be one buy and one sell for every grade. So here again, there will be buy. Now the price is running here. It will not do anything. As soon as the price reaches here again, it will sell. Okay, now this is the work of greed, that buying is happening here and selling is happening here. Okay, now we talk about this price, this value. Now suppose the price is running here, like this sister reached here and buying happened. Okay, we bought it. Now the price has gone down again from here like this, like this, like this. Whatever one does here, neither will one buy nor sell. Why? because this area is outside your action media. That is below the lower price limit. Okay, now let's take another case. Let's take another case. I will change the color to another. Now the price is going like this here. Okay, he bought it here. After buying here, he went here and sold it here. But it is possible that he did not sell all of it. Suppose you bought 2 Bitcoins here and sold only one here because this is for sale. So sold only one here. Now we have 1 Bitcoin here and the price has gone up. So we will always have 1 Bitcoin and it will never sell it. Why is that right? Because the price has gone above this upper bound. Okay, so this is the difference between the upper price, lower price and the grid. Now there will not be just one grid in the grid. There will be a grid here as well. There will be a grid here as well. So accordingly, it will keep buying and selling. Now we will understand this more clearly in this chart. So now you have understood the meaning of price range means whatever action will happen, whatever BOT will work, it will work within this price range and the number of times buying and selling will happen will be 34 times. Okay, so this is the time period. And for how many days it will work? For 3 days. Okay, now here, how much can you invest? You can put as much as you want, 7 days, 30 days, 1 healthy day. Okay, so you can do it accordingly. So this is AI. That is, it can also mean automatic or artificial intelligence. Normally earlier it used to come as auto here. Now AI has started coming. Okay, now let's talk about Popular. In Popular also I have kept BTC open. So in this also, if you will see in this, what happens is that there are some traders who have preset all these values and we just have to copy them. Okay, so we want to see it. We will click and it will go directly to the manual and the details that they have filled will start showing here. So here the price range is 55 and 65. 55 means around 10,000. This is their upper and lower limit in the price range of 10,000. What is the number of grid? 12. Now see here, arithmetic and geometry are there. So the difference between arithmetic and geometry is that if you click on arithmetic, then this 12 will be divided equally. So suppose if we make it 10%, it will be easy for calculation if we make it 10. And in this, like the price range, there is a difference of 10,000, okay? And the number of grids is 10%. And if it is on arithmetic, then what will it be? It will be correct. Its difference will be 1,000, okay? 55, 56, 57, 58. Is it okay? And we will make it geometric, okay? So the geometric price difference ratio will be the same for all, and it means like it was in this, that 1,000 will be the first, 1,000 will be the second, 2,000 will be the third, 3,000 will be the third, and the ratio of all three will be the same. The rest of the values can be anything. You must have read ratio proportion, so you will understand that the ratio will be the same, okay? The value can be anything. So this is the difference between geometric and arithmetic, okay? In arithmetic, the value will remain the same. And in this, the ratio will remain the same. Now we come to investment. So we can put whatever investment we want on investment. Okay. Now let's come to grid trigger. So at what price I have set the trigger price that brother will trigger us on 1,000, 1,000 or 1,000. So the first one will be greater on 1,000. Okay. Stop trigger and take profit. Now what happens in this is that suppose we have set a stop loss. Now in this case here, if we see I have set a stop loss trigger at 30 or here at 50. So what will happen when the price is at such a level here, when it crosses it and comes here? Then I will exit with this much profit and this much loss. And similarly, it is written take profit. So there also I will set the value here in advance. So when this upper brown break happens, then when the price reaches here, it means that your sale will be done. Okay. So this is the difference between stop loss and take profit. So now you have understood all the values, and here you can also take the help of AI. Here directly you can invest this much money, maximum anything. It is okay, an insufficient balance right now. I don't have even a single dollar in my finance account. Okay, and in Popular you can copy the already existing trades, and in Manual you can create your own trade. You can make a trade depending on whether you are able to read the chart. Now we see that in this bot, one thing is that you will do a manual spot where you will buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. The second would be that you will spot with a bot. So in which of these two conditions will the profit be more? Okay, for this we come to the chart. Now here I have opened the chart of Bitcoin. Now look here, suppose you were spotting, okay? Suppose you were spotting, you bought here or you bought here, say you bought anywhere, okay? you bought here, and even now the price is here. Okay, so how much did you earn in total profit? You only made this much profit. Okay, although the price had gone up here, the price had gone up, but you were able to take profit on it or not. Your profit is also only in this much. But if you had given this change also to the bot, and after giving it to the bot, you told it that, brother, this is yours. Hey friend, this is your upper lower price. This is your upper price, and now in between this you make your grid. You made a grid here, 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 and now you trade. So what would have happened in that case is that you would have bought here. Price. Let's say this is the first pour. Okay? When the price went here, he bought something. Then when the price went here, he bought something and then sold it. Then the price went here and he bought it himself and then sold it, meaning the purchase happened here. Then this purchase happened here and sold it. But the new purchase happened here. Okay? So after that, when it reached here, the purchase that was made here got sold, and then a new purchase happened. So if you look at it that way, when the market is moving sideways, okay, when the market is moving sideways, the spot bots for trading help a lot, because as soon as the price goes down, if we understand the price, we will buy it, and if it goes here, we will sell it. Okay? If it comes here, we will buy it. If it goes here, we will sell it. If it came here, we will buy it. If it went here, we will sell it. Now, what will happen is that if you had bought it initially and sold it, then you would have had a difference of only this much, just this much. Okay? And if you had gone according to the trading bot, then you could have earned money for this stretch as well. You would have earned money for this stretch as well. You would have earned money for this stretch as well. So this is an advantage if you are doing spot trading with the help of a trading bot. Okay? I hope you have understood everything, that under what condition trading gives you profit and how to use it on minus. So with this, I end this video. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks.